The 2025 Honda Accord Coupe is a striking entry into the world of mid-sized performance-oriented coupes. The front fascia of the 2025 Honda Accord Coupe immediately catches the eye with its dynamic design. The sleek, aerodynamic shape is accentuated by sharp LED headlights that integrate seamlessly into the body. The aggressive grille showcases a honeycomb pattern framed by chrome accents, giving it a bold yet sophisticated character. The pronounced front splitter hints at the coupe's sporty aspirations while enhancing aerodynamics. The rear of the Accord Coupe is equally compelling, featuring a sculpted profile and a prominent rear spoiler. The taillights are narrow and angular, stretching across the width of the car in a continuous LED strip for a high-tech look. The lower bumper houses a pair of dual exhaust outlets, surrounded by a diffuser that not only adds to the car's sporty appeal, but also contributes to its aerodynamics. Step inside, and the 2025 Honda Accord Coupe impresses with its luxurious yet driver-focused cabin. The use of premium materials, including leather upholstery and brushed aluminum accents, elevates the sense of sophistication. The dashboard features a minimalist layout dominated by a large infotainment touchscreen with integrated navigation and connectivity options. Under the hood, the 2025 Honda Accord Coupe is expected to feature a range of advanced powertrain options. These include a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine delivering around 275 horsepower and an optional hybrid variant boasting a combined output of over 300 horsepower. Given its premium features and advanced engineering, the 2025 Honda Accord Coupe is expected to start at approximately $35,000 for the base model.